Hey my lovelies, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you guys are new here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So in today's video I will be unboxing and doing a first impressions review of the Dragonhawk Mast tattoo pen, and yeah, let's just get right into it. So obviously I already took it out the original Amazon box, but it comes in this tattoo supply traveling case that you see here. And then when you open it up, you have your actual tattoo pen, you have your power supply, the foot pedal, the cord, and you get some needles. So they gave me 25 round shader needles, and I went ahead and ordered all the different sizes that I needed at the moment. So yeah, I'll try to leave these in the description too. And I also got some grip tape to actually put on the machine to make it easier to hold, because it's kind of slick with the gloves on and everything. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all my setup and how I'm about to tap myself. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So this first tattoo that I'm doing is something that I drew a while ago, and I meant to tat it a long time ago, but I never got around to it. So I'm just doing it on my wrist because I don't know, I just want to finish up my sleeve, I guess. So one of my favorite things about using this Dragonhawk Mast tattoo pen is the way it sounds. Compared to the other machine I was using, this one is so much better. Like, this is one that you can do a lot of tattoos even without music and like not get annoyed with. It took me probably like an hour to do this one, and I actually did go over it again because as y'all can see, like, some of the spots are a little lighter than others because I didn't go as deep, but overall it was a beautiful tat. On to tat number 2. It's like a palm leaf type of plant, and I really love this tat. I really this one was so much easier to do for me. I love how easy it was to hold the machine. My hands did not get tired, it didn't get cramped up, I didn't have to like, you know, take a break and like work my fingers out, because usually holding the little teeny tiny tattoo grips that come with the needles that are like pre-sterilized and have the you know, the disposable tattoo grips on it, I feel like it's just too small to hold. I didn't like holding it. Like, my hands would get so cramped up. Like, the fact that I can hold it comfortably, it makes my tattoos come out a lot better in the end. And another thing about the way it feels in my hands, I feel like it gives me a lot more control over where I'm placing my needle. I wasn't going outside the lines as much. I felt like I was in control of where the needle was going the whole entire time. And the result of this tattoo came out so perfect. And yeah, I just love how simple and cute it is. And then I decided that I wanted to put this quote that says "Keep dreaming" across my chest in red ink. I've had all these planned out in my head for so long, so I just, like, when I got the machine, I kind of knew what I was doing. So like, maybe it's just me, but I feel like my chest tattoos hurt less than a lot of my other tattoos. And I don't know if I'm crazy for that or what. It didn't really hurt at all. Like, the machine is so powerful, but it's so gentle at the same time. I don't even know how to describe it. I hope I'm giving you guys a good description of what this machine is like. Things that it was supposed to do is give precise line work. But with this machine, I noticed that I did not have to go over my tat as many times as I usually have to. That was so helpful because I already can't really see what I'm doing. So for me to have to like go over it a thousand times to get it to show up, I was just like not for that. So I'm really happy I did this with this machine because it came out really good on like 2 passes. And I was really happy with how vibrant the color came out too. And this is probably like my second time saying something about how gentle this machine is, but like, I'm so serious. Like, and I already knew after doing my first tattoo that I was obsessed with this machine, but like during this one, because I kind of figured like, yeah, this one's gonna hurt a little bit more. It's gonna be a little bit more painful, a little harder to do, but I feel like I already see the difference in the quality of my work. And the quality of it, as you guys can see, like the color is so rich. Like I was so shocked. I did not expect it to show up on me this good, but I love this tattoo. The machine just made it so easy for me to point. I already know that this machine is a 10 out of 10. So on to the fourth and final tattoo. I decided to do a cute little sun, moon, and star tat on like the center of my chest, like going up towards my neck. And I would say the pain level for this one was probably like a 4 out of 10. Like it was real slight. But overall, my experience with using the Dragonhawk Mast tattoo pen was so amazing. I was way more impressed than I thought I was going to be. And I just love this machine. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with how my tats came out. I'm really excited to use them on my clients. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys got a good idea of what you're going to get with this machine. I'm definitely going to rate it a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. I definitely recommend it for you guys. The link will be in the description if you want to check it out. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join the lovely gang, because we are finally 1,000 lovelies strong. The lovely gang is now 1,000 strong, and we are just so grateful and so excited to give you guys more content in the future. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.